Welcome everybody to the channel. Like I said, brought to you by Thor's Machinery. Guys, this is a very unique drill that I highly recommend for you guys to test out and check it out. You got the drill bit holder, you got the bits that really just come in. This entire toolkit does come with 2 sets of batteries, the drill bit holder, 14 piece of drill bits, but this is not included with the package. But we're going to go ahead and put it to the test. We're going to be drilling a 1/2 inch through a 2x4 just to check it out and take a look at all of the damages that it's been done prior to that. But this is just for anybody who's just watching us for the first time. Let's just go ahead and drill something here for you. As you can see, we are running out of space, so we'll try to drill one. Maybe I think we can do one right here. So let's go ahead and put it to the test. So there you have it. This is a very unique drill, and we're going to go ahead and put the other thing to the test as well. We're going to go ahead and drive in just a 1/4 inch just to show you guys. I think you saw the 1/2 inch, which is nothing, but in case you're curious to know how to drill's right here. So let's go ahead and put one right here. This is a very powerful drill, ladies and gents. Drills like inside this thing like butter. One of the other cool thing about it as well is we're going to go ahead and just to show you, this thing is hot. Okay, let's put it on the screw mode. And let's go ahead and finish it off with a nice little nail on the side, just for anybody who might be interested. Ladies and gents, this is a very, very powerful drill, and it gets even better and better. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to show you guys something that's pretty cool as well, in case you are interested in such unique product. So welcome to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.